Hello everyone, I'm G Tejashwini from AIDS department final year, and I'm here to present my final year project which is titled as ResuSync AI powered resume optimization platform. And this in this presentation I will first explain the introduction and problem statement, then I will cover the scope of the project and methodology, architecture and design diagrams. After that, I will discuss the algorithm use, implementation, results, test cases, and conclusion, future work, and references. And today, this is an introduction about my project. In today's hiring process, most of the companies uses ATS, which is applicant tracking system, to filter the resumes automatically. Many resumes are rejected not because of the lack of skills, but they have poor formatting skills and missing the keywords, and they have improper structure. To solve this problem, we have developed a ResuSync, an AI powered platform that analyzes the resume using the NLP. It provides the ATS score and identifies the gaps and gives the personalized suggestions to improve the resume quality and the recruiter's visibility. Statement of the project. The main challenges faced by the job seekers are ATS rejections and lack of guidances. Manual resume editing is not a time consuming method, and many candidates are unaware of a modern hiring standards. Professional resumes services can also be costly and not accessible to everyone. So, the objective of this project is to develop an AI based system that automatically analyzes and score the optimized resume for the better ATS compatibility. And scope of the project. The scope of the project is to build an AI based resume optimization platform using the MERN stack. It uses NLP to analyze the resume, identifies the gaps, and generate the optimized resume with the real-time suggestions. The target users are students, job seekers, and working professionals. The final deliverables includes the NLP engine, web interface, and the system documentation. And this project includes resume text extraction, keyword analysis, and ATS score calculation, and the PDF generation. It provides an online portal where the users can upload the resume and receive the optimized output. However, the system does not support a multi language resume. Real time job market predictions are also recommended. And here comes about the datas, and the system user uploads the PDF resume and the job description as an input data. Then the NLP techniques are applied to extract and compare the content. Some limitations includes like variation in resume formats, dependencies on job description quality, and a higher computation of requirement the large files. And the methodology. The step-by-step methodology is clearly explained here. First, the resume and the job descriptions are collected from the users. Next, the data is pre-processed by extracting the cleaning text. Then the NLP models are applied for the key extraction. Similarly, the matching techniques and the ATS scoring. The MERN stack is used to build the web application and finally integrate the testing and prepares the reliable results. And this is an architecture diagram of this project. And this diagram shows the overall system of this project. The user uploads a resume through the front end, and the back end process the resume using the NLP models and calculates the ATS score. Optimized content is generated and returned to the users as the download, downloadable PDF. Okay, this is an use case diagram. This use case diagram shows users interaction with the system, and the user can upload the resume, enter the details, view the ATS score, receive the suggestions, and download the optimized resumes and cover letters. This is the admin side of the use case of the project and visible as an use case diagram. And this is a class diagram. This class diagram represents the structure of the system. It shows the main classes such as user, resume, AI engine, and PDF generator. This is a sequence diagram. This sequence diagram explains how data flows between the user, backend and frontend, and then AI engine. And this is an algorithm. First, NLP techniques are used. This system uses the NLP to extract resume content such as skills, experiences, and education. Keywords extractions identifies important skills from the resumes and jobs description. And the resume selection classifier organizes the content into a proper sections. The ATS scoring algorithm evaluates the key matches and clarity and formatting. An AI content optimization engine rewrites the sentence to improve the professionalism. And the hardware and the software which is used here in this project, and it is developed with a laptop which contains an Intel i5 or i7 processor, and front end uses the React, back end uses the Node.js, and Express the Mongo and Express, and then MongoDB Atlas is used for the data storage, and cloud platforms like Bisel and Railways are used for the deployment. And this is an implementation. The project is implemented using the MERN stack. Resume text is extracted using the PDF phrasing libraries. The custom AI engine analyzes the resume, generates the suggestions, and produces the optimized content. This is the code. This code is implemented in the AI engine. This slide shows the core AI logical used for an resume analysis. It calculates the ATS score and matches the keywords and generates the improvement of suggestions using NLP techniques. This is a front end code. This code handles the resume uploads and API requests and front end and the back end communication. It also ensures the secure data handling and smooth interaction between the components. And it is a code for the PDF generation. The PDF generation serves a publisher to create the professionalism and ATS friendly resumes. Users can download or optimize resumes and the cover letters in the PDF format itself. And here comes about the implementation part. It is the front page of our website where you can just click the build your resume button, or you can also sign in here. And this is the second page that I enter my name and the job description and also my email ID. And according to the job description, the resume, a basic formatted resume is created along with the ATS score. And you can also download the resume in the PDF format. The structured format of for the PDF is shown here, and it is a cover letter of the same name and the job description. And I'll show the live implementation here. Tejashwini, and my email ID, a random email ID, and I will enter the job description and upload my resume here. And I'll click analyze and optimize the resume. It shows some suggestions to improve my resume as ATS friendly, and it also gives the ATS score and some ATS essentials like things. And I can optimize my resume here. It is the optimized resume. I can also download in the PDF format. The downloaded resume is here, and you can also generate the cover letter, and you can also download the cover letter as a PDF. Mm, the downloaded cover letter is here. And this is all about my project. Thank you.